Hello and welcome. My name is Lisa and you are watching One Lisa Show. Over here is Money Penny. She is just chilling out on a quilt that I got from Adam Sews. It's gorgeous and it's our comfy little nap time quilt. And during the day she likes to sit on it and look outside. Okay, and just like that, Penny skedaddled out. I'm coming with you today because it just came in the mail. It's snowing, like it's really snowing today. You're supposed to get anywhere between 3 to 6 inches or more. And it's looking pretty white outside. But I got my Think Pink box in the mail. It was delivered. And I'm working from home today because it is snowing. So I am going to open it up because I really can't wait. And I know that there have been plenty of videos already out with people doing their unboxing. And this is my little tiny unboxing today. So Think Pink box 36. Here it is. And the sky's the limit. It's kind of heavy. We're going to open this up. Think Pink box, real quick, if you've not seen any of my unboxings, is from Beyond the Pink Door. They have a monthly subscription box. And she's changed it up a little bit, but you get a fabric, you get a coordinating thread. And there's usually some bit of haberdashery or some kind of little extra thing that's also included. There's an ebook, and inside the ebook you see different versions of things you could do with the make, suggested patterns. There's a little bit of everything in there. It just kind of builds a community of sewists. And I live in the US, so including shipping, I think it's around $50 to $55. It really depends on the difference between the British pound and the dollar. So I'm opening it up, and here we go. We have there's always a postcard that gives a theme for the month, and this one says The Sky's the Limit, Chapter 2. Last month we had Chapter 1, and on the back is a code for the QR code to access the e-magazine. It says scan this code with your phone or iPad to access the ebook that accompanies this month's box. The Sky's the Limit, and beautiful picture there. It is wrapped in pink tissue, and the inside of the box is pink. I know some people save the tissue. I rip it open. And inside, whoa, what do we have? What do we have? What do we have? Ooh! This is a, I don't know, salted pistachio white chocolate bar. Ooh! Crunchy pistachio pieces smothered in creamy white chocolate with a sprinkle of sea salt flakes. I'm not big on salted chocolates. However, this looks great. To plant a garden is to believe in tomorrow. Audrey Hepburn. That's a very pretty box. Nice. And it is, I'm looking forward to this. The box is pretty. I can only imagine. It says suitable for vegetarians, made in Wales by Cocoa Pizzazz. White chocolate, sugar, cocoa butter. Yeah, pistachio nuts. This might be nice. There is my thread. It is a Gutermann Mariflex. That bright yellow means it's a Mariflex, which means it is suitable for sewing knit fabrics. It has a slight stretch in it. So just seeing that bright yellow, I know means it is a Mariflex, which means I have a stretch fabric in my box. There is a tiny little envelope here. I'm ripping it open, and inside, ooh, these are for your threads. This is nice because I don't have any of these. I don't know what this is for, but I think these are for your threads. I'm not 100% sure. I thought they were thread keepers. Help me out. I really think they're thread keepers, but I have a whole handful of them. So nice. Ooh, and my fabric. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. This is completely my colors. Completely my colors. It is, wow, there's a lot of this. How much did I get? It is a knit fabric, and there is plenty of it. It's got a very 70s vibe, which is great because I do love some fabric, don't I? I love collecting it. It is white on the back, but on the front is saturated in purples, like a coral and a light carnation pink with black. It is super stretchy, and I'm going to check on the ebook and let you know what it is, because it's got not a sheen, but it's slick to the touch, but very, to me, very 70s-esque. I might have to pre-wash it right away. So I pulled up the ebook on my phone. It is a Ponte, which I thought, because it says Punta di Roma, which I'm probably saying completely wrong, but Andrea says it's a Ponte. It is 2 meters. It has 30% four-way stretch. So it is very stretchy. It comes in 2 colorways. Mine is called, Andrea's calling it Aries, and the other colorway has a turquoise background, and it is called Taurus. There's Betty. So this is a double knit fabric characterized by its substantial weight and durability. It is a combination of viscose, polyester, and spandex. That's probably that slippery feel that I'm feeling here, but it's not shiny and it doesn't feel cheap by any means. It is, I like the stretch, and honestly, I wonder, leggings, maybe, or maybe not, but a Sirocco is what it's screaming to me right away. And it needs to be part of my Vegas wardrobe, I think. If I have a say in it, it needs to be part of my Vegas wardrobe because it's got this 70s vibe. But I just got a pattern for a dress. Hold on, hold your horses. And I'm back. There's Penny. I just picked this pattern up, and it was in a previous video. I just picked this pattern up. It is a Jiffy Simplicity pattern vintage reprint from 1970s, and I was in love with this version or the longer version. And I am feeling like this, I keep showing you the white, the backing. I feel like this, in this, a match made in Studio 54, if I dare say so myself. That's my quick unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. I might be around later on Wednesday for a live. It really depends how I feel, because I saw the orthodontist yesterday and a little sore. Couldn't tell by how much I'm speaking today, though, could ya? Thank you so much for watching. If you get the box, what colorway did you get, and what are you going to make with it? Or if you have ideas for me, even though I feel like I just need somebody to confirm this is an excellent idea, this is what I feel right now. Thanks again for watching. From Money, Penny, and myself, I hope you do something creative wherever you are in the world today. Hug your loved ones, your family, and of course, your pet. Thank you, Petra. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.